better learn this song, get the free guitar blueprint with all the chords, tabs, lyrics, and more at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free, and it'll help you learn this song a whole lot easier. Plus, there's a few surprise gifts for you inside of the blueprint. Okay, we have a Wednesday winner. Tim K, congratulations, you're our Wednesday winner. And you're going to win all my blues courses. So everything, I hope you love the blues like I do. It's everything to do with blues, from my slide blues to acoustic blues, you name it, electric blues. You're going to get it. So congratulations, Tim. And in keeping with that, I'd like to do a little blues thing. My version of Jimmy Reed's "Baby What You Want Me to Do." Some people call it "You Got Me Running." You'll probably recognize it. I'm going to do it in the key of E because I want to show you all some cool blues licks along the way, but I'm going to start out real simple. And by the way, thank you, Tim, and everybody else for subscribing to my channel. I certainly appreciate it. I certainly appreciate it. I do indeed. I appreciate it, and please leave a comment. Hit me up with any kind of comments you got. I'd love to hear from you. All right, let's get right to some Jimmy Reed Down in the Bucket Blues. Okay, this is in the key of E, as I mentioned, and I'm going to basically show you a lick here if you don't know it. This is something that'll serve you in the this like blues you can use, I always say. So I'm coming down, I'm utilizing my E and my A string only on this one. And I got my first finger anchored on the second fret of the A string, and then I use my third finger to get to the fourth fret of the A string, and it looks like this. You've heard that before, I'm sure. The next part is the same exact movement, but on the A string, utilizing the A and the D string, and then back to the E. I'm going to go to a B7th. Probably know that by now, the 5 chord. And then I'm going to go to the A version of that lick. Back to D, and then that last move is a chromatic walk up and on the A string. First fret, first finger on the A string, and then to a B7th. So that's how we do the turnaround. So this is the most basic version of this song. I'm gonna go a little bit further with this on this lesson, but I get into it in a lot of my blues lessons. I get much more detailed. But to keep it simple for right now, you got me running, you got me hiding, you got me run, hide, hide, run, any way you want, let it roll. Yeah, yeah, yeah. To the B, got me doing what you want. To the A, baby, what you want me to do. And walk up to the B7th. Okay? So that's a kind of like a bare bones version of a Jimmy Reed, classic Jimmy Reed blues. Hey friends, we've got a super exciting announcement, and we'll get you right back to your guitar lesson. Every Wednesday, we pick a new winner to give away prizes like free guitar courses, swag and apparel, and occasionally we'll even give away free guitars, gear, and sometimes we even give away cold hard cash. All you have to do is be subscribed to the YouTube channel, and you're automatically registered to win. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification, and get updates for when new videos are uploaded. And make sure you like this video and comment down below for even more chances to win. Winners will be announced every Wednesday in our daily video and in the community tab. So keep an eye out for your name being called, and good luck. Okay, back to your guitar lesson. Now what I'd like to do is take it a little bit further for those of you that are maybe a little bit more ambitious and you want to go deeper. What I'm going to do is I'm going to incorporate, I'm working with a pick right now, so we'll just keep it right there. But I'm gonna mute down with my palm of my right hand, and you'll hear the difference between this, which is fine, sounds cool, And I'm going to do two things now. I'm going to mute down with the palm, and I'm going to incorporate the 5th fret on the A string using my 3rd finger still, and it's going to sound like this. See how I go to that 5th fret on the A string to the D note? And the same thing on the A. We're going to go up back to the E. See how it's a shuffle. That's the feel of the shuffle. Gives it a little bit of mystery by muting it to the A. B 7th chord, A lick, B, your turnaround, okay? So now what we've done is we've gone from just your basic, and we've tried it, we've muted a little bit, we palmed it, and we've gone up to that 5th fret in the A string. And by the way, there's no hard, fast rules about where those can land, where they can't. However, you'll notice that if I'm playing this, you got me hiding, you got me on hide, I might want to go every way you want, let it roll. That's where that lick could come in handy because it signifies a change. Once you go to that, which is the 7 of the in the key of E, there's the D note. 7th, that's going to indicate a change, and then you might as well use it right here. Back to the 1. Okay? You got me doing what you want, baby, what you want to do. So, if you want to go even a little bit deeper than that, and again, I don't want to go too far on one lesson, but what I do want to show you is a cool little turnaround before we get done here with this Jimmy Reed thing. So rather than going from the B and then to your A, instead of going to your regular E lick and then climbing chromatically to your B chord, B7 chord, that's fine, that's cool. But if you want to have an alternate thing to go to, you can do a little descending line. It looks like this. You still do the chromatic climb at the end of that. And I know for some of you this might be a little bit advanced. That's okay. You'll get to it eventually, I promise you. So what we want to look at here is this lick. So what I'm doing is I'm picking up the 5th fret on the B string with my pinky. And there's a reason for that, you'll see in a second. If you're not used to using it, you should start using it. And then your 3rd finger descends chromatically, and what that means is a half step at a time. So it sounds like this. So you've heard that in the blues many times. But what you're doing is you're picking up, you're coming down on your D note on your A string, 5th fret, and then you're picking up the E note on your B string. So it sounds like this. Very effective turnaround. So you're on your A string, it's just like this. But you want to make sure that this E note rings out throughout. See how I'm picking that up with my 2nd finger? And then you climb to the B. So here's what it sounds like in context. You got me running, you got me hiding, got me run, hide, hide, run. So that's a little, and congratulations again, Tim, for your Wednesday winner. And you get all my blues stuff, so you'll be rocking the blues in no time. But that's a little kind of bare bones version of a really a cool acoustic blues shuffle. And I'm going to leave you with a fingerstyle version just so you can understand where this could go. That just shows you how much fun we can have with the blues, whether it's fingerstyle or with a pick. I just love acoustic blues, and we'll see you down the road. Thank you for taking the time to check out this online guitar lesson. Remember, you can get the free guitar blueprint for this song that'll help you learn it a whole lot easier at www.jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it's yours to keep. Also, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and hit the bell notification, because every Wednesday we pick random winners to give away guitar courses, swag and apparel, guitar gear, and sometimes we'll even give away cold, hard cash. All you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're eligible to win. And if you want even more chances to win, like this video and leave a comment below, and share this video with anyone you think might like it. All winners will be announced in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. Good luck!